Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Pink called Never Gonna Not Dance Again. So yeah, cool vibe on this one. And we have this strumming pattern, a little bit different, but it works through the entire song. So we'll learn that and all the other chords and good stuff as well. So let's start this one up. The easiest way of handling this song here is to use a capo here and place it on the 3rd fret here. So capo on 3rd, and with that we have pretty easy chords. So let's go over all the chords we need. First, starting with G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then B minor 7, it's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So use all strings except from the last up here in the bass. And the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. It's the B minor 7. We are moving to a 2nd bar chord here, the F. So that's a bar now on the 1st fret over all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have this little strange chord here, F6 sus chord. Okay, so that is 3rd on D, 3rd on G, 3rd on B, and 1st on E. Alright, then we are moving to the D chord. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have a D, but now with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E. Then I mute the next string, which I'm holding with my finger here, my index finger, and just lean on top of the A. Mute it, and then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and you can incorporate the open E as well. We're moving to the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this D sharp minor 7, okay. Reminds a little bit of this F6 sus chord we used to play earlier here. A little bit different only, but yeah, anyway, this is 1st D string, 3rd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord, the D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. The last two strings there, I'm holding a bar here on the last two E and B string on the 1st fret. All right, so there we have all the chords we need. I believe they are 11. Yep, 11 chords. So with that, we're gonna start to look at the strumming pattern. And since G is the 1st chord, grab that one. So we will look at this, and the strumming that goes almost through the entire song here will be this: down, down, clap, up, up, down, clap. Okay, so that's the rhythm, like this. So down, down, clap. That's the start. And then immediately you go 2 ups, up, up, down. And that is this jumpy feeling, you can say. So up, up, down, and then clap. That's it. So down, down, clap, up, up, down, clap. And after the last down there, there's a short pause there, and then comes the final clap there. So down, down, clap, up, up, down, pause, clap. Yeah. All right, so we are ready for the actual song here. Let's start with the first verse. You will play 1 strumming round per chord. So you will play first G, then C, then B minor 7, and back to C. Then we'll start all over again. G, now F, C, and now the D sharp chord. All right, sorry, the F chord. F chord, of course. Yeah, so that's F6 sus chord, and that is the first verse, okay? So G, C, B minor, C, then G, F, C, and the F chord, the F6. I think we'll call it F6 from now on. Yeah, easier. So let's go on here. It's the first pre-chorus, but one thing I'm never gonna do. That's where we are on the lyrics. We're gonna continue with the same strumming, and we'll go for 1 strumming around per chord for a while, except from the last chord. We'll come to that, but first 1 strumming per chord, and we'll start with D, E minor, then G, then the D, F, now F, and E minor. And now we are at the last chord now, and this is the D. Now you will play 3 strumming rounds, okay? Plus then down, up, down, down, okay? So you're gonna play 3 string rounds plus down, up, down, down, and then comes the pause that builds up for the chorus. So D3 plus down, up, down, down sounds like this. Pause, and then starts the chorus. Okay, so just to summarize the pre-chorus: D, E minor, G, D, F, F, E minor, then D3 plus down, up, down, down, and the pause. We are ready for the chorus. I'm never gonna not dance again. All right, so we have this chord progression that goes A minor 7, then C, G, and then D. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. 1 strum round per chord. It will sound like this: A minor 7, C, G, D. Again, A minor, C, G, and D. And then you end with a final kind of vocal part only, so it's the G actually that goes in the background, but it's basically a vocal part. Dance, dance, I'm not gonna dance. Yeah, I'm gonna dance, yeah. Anyway, that's the vocal part. So basically it's 2 chord progression rounds of A minor, C, G, and D. All right, so from now on, it's not that much new to this song except for a bridge part. We'll move on to the second verse, played in the same way as the first one. The same goes with the second pre-chorus, and even the second chorus played in the same way as the previous parts. And after the second chorus comes a bridge part. I'll lay down and die. That's where we are in the lyrics. Perhaps not yet, but later maybe in life. But now we'll look at this bridge part. Anyway, we'll play just 1 down per chord. Okay? just one down per chord. And the following chords are starting here with the D sharp chord, this little strange chord here. All right, then the D minor 7, a little bit jazzy feeling here, and you play that again 2 times, and then G. And then you go back again to the D sharp, 1 down, then D minor 7, just 1 down this time, and then G, and then again the D sharp chord, then 2 downs on the D minor 7, and then you end with A minor 7, 1 down. So all these chords so far 1 down, and then you end with the D for 4 strumming rounds. So you're gonna start the strumming here, and that builds up for the later part, the chorus that comes right after. So down, down, clap, up, down, clap, and then do that for 4 rounds on the G chord. So that is the bridge part. Just to summarize this, 1 down for the following chords: D sharp, D minor, G, D sharp, D minor, G, D sharp, D minor, G, and then A minor 7. And then you have the D chord for 4 strumming rounds. And that's a build up for the last chorus parts, okay? So you're gonna play, for the chorus part, you're gonna play this chord progression: A minor 7, C, G, and D. These 4 chords you're gonna play for 6 rounds. You're gonna play the strumming, and the strumming will be 1 strumming round per chord. So 6 rounds of A minor 7, C, G, and D. And then the song just ends with a vocal part that lasts for about 2 chord progression rounds. So it's a pretty long vocal part, but that is actually how this song ends. And yeah, that is Pink, Never Gonna Not Dance Again. I think you need to put some time on the strumming here to get the right feeling for it. And once you do that, it's basically just a matter of chord switches there. 11 chords, yeah, could be a challenge, but yeah, give it a try. Not that hard actually. So good luck, and I hope this helps. Play tuned.